In this video, we'll be telling about how to add new admin in Telegram channel. For this, first what we need to do is open Telegram application. After opening Telegram application, select the Telegram channel in which you want to add an admin. Important thing you should notice that you should be admin or owner of that group to add new admin. If you are admin, you should be having permission to add new admin. Anyways, to add new admin, select the group to which you want to add new admin. For example, I am selecting this group. After selecting that group, above you can see group name. Click on that group name. When you are clicking on that, here you can see one option administrators. Click on administrators. When you are clicking on that, you can see owners and admins of this group. Here above you can see add admin option. Click on add admin. When you are clicking on that, you can see every members in this group. From this, select the contact which you want to add as admin. For example, I am selecting this contact. Just click on this contact. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see permissions that should be given to admin. Admin can change channel info, admin can manage messages, manage stories, add subscribers and manage live streams. If you want to disable anything, you can just turn it off. And by default, add new admins option is turned off. If you want to give that permission, just turn this on, and after that, this admin can add new admin. Anyways, after everything is set, above you can see done button. Click on this done button. When you are clicking on that, this person will be added as admin of this group. So this way you can easily add anyone as admin in Telegram channel. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.